Hey there! Do you ever feel like your smile is sending the wrong message? It's not sending the message that you have wanted to share? Well, I've been there, and I want to tell you that smile is something that is so important because it is the first impression that you make while speaking to a person. And maybe sometimes you're too stiff like a boss, or you're laughing too hard like a clown, and you have to avoid that. So what are you going to do in those type of situations? In this video, I'm going to talk about your smile. Yes, your beautiful, genuine smile that gives the right message and connects with people, not confuse. And by the end of the video, if you feel even a little bit more confident, I'll have done my job. So please watch the video till the end and drop a comment below on your smile story after you've done the video. So basically, smile is something that a lot of people use to build relationships that they have wanted to make. And there was a time when I would talk to a person, like I was in front of the person, and my smile, I was so serious. So I could not make any genuine relationship or genuine connection with the people. And this made me rather confused about what I should do. And I came up with these amazing techniques which helped me and can help you too. So the first technique, which I think is great, and all you need to do is learn. So the first step, let me break it down to you. The first step will be smile from inside out. Okay. This is so good. This is just so amazing. One thing that you should know that in public speaking, first you need to improve your inner self so that you can present yourself out in the outer way, in the external way, with more confidence, with the thing that you wanted in your inner self to be present in your outer self. So what I'm saying is that you need to smile from inside to smile from your outside. So the people who are understanding this, I know this is a little bit complicated sometimes, but what you need to do is that you need to get that smile from inside first. Like if you're smiling, okay, talk to that person and then feel the happiness within you. And then you'll feel that people are more connected to you because you're smiling the way you're experiencing it inside. When you experience it, the happiness inside, it just reflects outside. And that's what I'm telling, smile from inside out. You feel the inner happiness, you are going to show it. Okay, just break through the barriers that are stopping you to smile and telling you that people will judge you. Just smile openly. Whatever is reflecting inside will thus reflect outside. This is the true showcase of the smiling part. Now let's move on to the second tip. Second most important tip. That is to practice. Okay. See, there's this thing that I tell in almost all videos that you need to practice in front of a mirror. Whether it be eye contact or body language or gestures, whatever it is, you need to practice it in front of the mirror. What this will do is that it will help you when you speak. And when you speak, you see, you get that reaction from inside. When you practice it in front of the mirror by yourself, when you're doing it in real with other people, you feel more familiar, right? So I've practiced, and the thing is that when you notice how these small things are affecting the way you speak, you find it more easier to not do it when you're talking to people. So when you practice smile, see that if your smile is like looking like wicked smile, or is it looking too stiff, then if it's looking stiff, loosen it. If it's looking like a clownish way, then try to become more balanced. And you'll see that you may be thinking right now, how would I be able to do that? But when you commit yourself while practicing and smiling properly, then you'll see that you will see the changes and you'll see the mistakes that you're making while you're smiling. And that would be totally, totally different to you. And you'll be thinking, wow, this actually works. All right. Now, the third trick. This one. So, this is to learn to read the room. Yes. Oh my God. This is like when you enter your room, just like said, use the posture. If you haven't watched this video, you gotta watch it because it's amazing. It's talking about the posture because when you walk into the room, you use the posture, okay? And that gives you immediate confidence that you've been waiting for maybe years, months, or days. And when you get that confidence, smile. Okay, learn to read the room. So basically, the thing is that when you talk to people, if you match with their energy or their emotions or their style of speaking, then those people feel even more connected with you. What is that feeling like? Your friend comes over and starts talking about hobbies, and you suddenly are interested in a game, and the person talks about the game right in that second, and that happiness that you get is just so amazing, isn't it? So, smiling can be used in this way. Scan the room. If you're going to a place which is filled with sadness, it's better if you don't smile. You could get attacked or something. So scan the room, and if people are feeling so happy because they won a trophy in a football team, you gotta smile the way they're smiling. If those people are smiling very small because it's just small achievement, just people something are very happy, like a little happy about because this happened, or it was something that was a blessing in disguise, and people didn't want that, but it was good that they happened, and the people just smile a little bit, but inside they're feeling bad. So to go to match with their energy and their skin. So when you scan in the room, take every person, put out the average, and smile like you mean it. Smile like you want your people to understand you. Oh, how you want people to know about you. Scan the room. Now, my fourth trick, this is the favorite trick. I've seen this in How to Talk to Anyone in Leigh Lowndes' book, and this is just so amazing. This is a very important trick I want you to know. So start taking notes, and you'll find this amazing. This is to smile slowly. So this is basically a story when Leigh Lowndes was going to meet a friend of her. I don't remember the name. She was basically a kind of a very childish or immature person. She was acting like a very child kind of way. And her father had a company, but when his father passed away, she had to take over the company. So Leila understood how could childish person take over the company. But when he visited her at the time of a conference room, he found that she was speaking so maturely, and the only thing that changed was a smile, and that made the entire difference. So this trick is called the how to smile slowly. This is a great chapter in Leylanders. You can buy it. It's such an amazing book. And basically, when you smile, what happens if you go slowly? It just creates a more familiar tone. So when you're smiling, soak into their persona. Go deep and smile swiftly. What happens is that people feel more connected, feel more genuine, and you can master this if you practice it for a few times. So, these are those amazing four techniques that, if you learn, can make a huge difference. And I just want to tell you, if you felt even a little bit more confidence, click that button, and you know if you like have any doubt, go to the comment section and ask me. I'm just so free to answer your questions. And I think smile is something that needs a communicator to make it work, and if you can do that, that's just so amazing, so amazing. So these, I hope you can practice all of this, and then you can just tell me, like I said, to post a comment on your smile story. So thank you so much. This is all for this video, and master your smile authentically, beautifully, genuinely. Until next time, catch you later. Bye.